Bitcoin has just done something that it hasn't done since 2013, which is crazy because this market just keeps putting out more and more bullish signals. It's absolutely crazy. And the craziest part is that we are barely even halfway into this bull market cycle right now. We're going to break all this down in this video for you. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos about investing, so if that is a topic you would like to learn more on, I highly suggest you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to know when I put out a new video. By the way, if you want to buy Bitcoin, as well as loads of top altcoins like Ethereum and Chainlink and Polkadot and Cardano, then you need to get yourself an account over on Binance. It is the #1 exchange in the cryptocurrency market. And as a special bonus, if you use the link down below in the description to sign up, then you'll get 10% off of your trading fees and up to $700 in trading bonuses. So do check that out. Okay, so let's get straight into this because today Bitcoin has done something that it hasn't done since 2013. It just put in its 6th straight green monthly candle. That is incredible. But at the same time, it is a bit of a double-edged sword. Now, first, I want to say that this is insane, that Bitcoin is just so damn bullish right now. It's been crazy. This current bull run is literally now officially more bullish than the previous bull run. Fundamentals as well, of course, are there too. So last time in 2017, the best we got was a 5-month straight run for Bitcoin, 5 green candles in a row. The longest ever straight run for Bitcoin was 7 straight green monthly candles in 2012 when Bitcoin surged from $5 to $11. $11 Bitcoin. What times? Anyway, I feel like that kind of helps put this current bull run in a bit of perspective. Things just really are looking very bullish right now. Bitcoin has actually tripled in market cap since November. The amount of buying coming in, of course, has been massively outstripping any of the big supply spikes that we've seen from miners or from whales. But of course, we're now faced with a tough conundrum. Is Bitcoin about to make history? Can we seriously get another green monthly candle for April? If so, it would be the second longest run, tied for the longest run, of course, ever. And if we can go on to make a new record of 8 green candles in May, that would be a record run. I, of course, remain ever the Bitcoin bull, but we must also admit that at some point during this bull run, gravity will catch up and we'll get a red monthly candle. Maybe even 2 red monthly candles. Although 2 red candles in a bull market, it's an extremely rare event. It's actually only happened once in Bitcoin's history, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, in all honesty, this bull run has been almost too easy so far. The biggest corrections that we've had, they only lasted for a few weeks. Basically just short dip buying opportunities. I mean, hey, I love dip buying, but we will at some point get a red month for Bitcoin. So don't be surprised when it happens. Anticipate it. The question is now, will we get 2 more green candles to set a new record? And I don't think that we're likely to get that red candle in April either, not the way things are looking. So we get a pretty good setup for that run for an 8-month run. We just got our confirmation of the MACD bullish crossover on the daily, which is obviously a good way to start off the month. The volume backing the bullish cross was also pretty decent, so I'm happy to see that. Now this is setting Bitcoin up for a rally to new highs in the coming week or two. Usually this results in a pretty significant upward price movement for Bitcoin when we have this crossover. And at this point, come on, we're only 4% away approximately from the new all-time high for Bitcoin. We just need to crack above 60K and then get a daily candle close above $60,000 right now. We have been rejected at or near $60,000 quite a few times over the last few weeks. Let's zoom into the 4-hour charts here to get a better view of that. You can see that Bitcoin rejected a lot around this level. It's proving to be a major area of resistance, as big round numbers so often are in markets. Human psychology It's a funny thing. What are you going to do? So often you see these big numbers end up being big deals, right? Being big areas of resistance, these big round numbers, because we're just, funny ape creatures that like big round numbers. What are you going to do? That's human nature in investing. Anyway, when 60K breaks, and it will break, we're going to go to $100,000 and beyond. 6-digit Bitcoin is coming this year. And that 60K break, it could really happen at any moment. Now, again, it's only a few percent away. When we get that daily close above 60K, then Bitcoin will likely stage a pretty good rally. Maybe we'll even get up to 70K, although the current target on the Fibonacci would bring us in around 68K for the next target price from the current market structure. And take a look at this as a reminder of where we are in the current market cycle. In all likelihood, we are just now around halfway through the bull run. That's it. That's it. The price of Bitcoin can still, in my opinion, pump by another 200 to 300% during this market cycle from where we are right now. And if that happens, then altcoins are going to absolutely boom beyond your imagination. And look, this is only a rough model based on historical trends, but it does give you a good idea on where the market is likely to go over the next 6 to 12 months. This bull market, it is far, far from being over. And there's even a good chance that this model for the market actually ends up proving to be wrong, but wrong to the upside, meaning that the crypto markets will pump longer and harder than anyone is ready for and expects. In fact, as I have theorized before here, on the channel making videos, I think it's possible that this bull market will actually bring an end to the 4-year Bitcoin cycle. Obviously, that remains to be proven as a theory, but we could be entering a super cycle for the markets, entering into the mainstream adoption phase where things just kind of keep on going and break out of the cycle that they have been in. And with Bitcoin right now putting in a 6th consecutive monthly green candle, I really do feel like anything is possible. Your question for today: do you think that we are going to end the month of April with yet another green candle for Bitcoin? Or do you think it's time for us to cool off a little bit, put the brakes on, put in a red candle on the monthly? Not that, of course, that it really matters when it comes down to it. If we get a red monthly candle, it's just a buying opportunity. The bull market will continue for some time to come. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.